You're a bit small for a pumpkin.
I'm a magical pumpkin. I appear every Halloween.
Halloween sucks.
No, it doesn't. It's the best night of the year.
It's a load of old rubbish.
You don't like it because it scares you.
What's so scary about it then?
Everything, the ghosts, the ghouls, witches, they all come out on Halloween.
That's just all made up for the kids.
No, it's not. It's real.
It's just another normal day.
No, it's not. Let me tell you the tale of Deadly Fred.
Deadly Fred? What is he, some kind of clown?
No, you won't be laughing after I tell you.
Go on then, I could do with a good laugh.
Late one night, on the way back home, I took a shortcut through the old lane. The moon broke through the clouds. It was cold, it just started to rain. The wind whistled through the old buildings. I hear footsteps and breathing at my rear. Was there something following me? Or was it just a false fear? The footsteps became louder. I started to pick up the pace. Then screaming in the distance made my heart start to race. From out of the dark corner, a figure started to appear. It was dark and very gloomy. The thing started to move near. A glimmer of a hatchet, a blood-covered cloak, and eyes glowing red. This was one scary bloke. In a brief second, I panicked and fled, but the hatchet came flying right into my head. I lay on the ground, all lifeless and dead. Yet another victim of the one they call Deadly Fred. I bet you're scared now, aren't you?
No? Do you know what really scares me?
No? What?
A fruit with a machine gun.